Welcome to Repair by Me. Today I'll be restoring a damaged gloss black alloy wheel back to a clean factory finish. Let's get started. P180 grit removing the deepest scratches and curb damage. P360 grit refining the surface and removing the sanding marks left by P180. P1500 grit, smoothing the surface and preparing it for paint. A few finishing touches and the wheel is ready to shine again. Now it's time for color and clear coat. The result speaks for itself. If you enjoyed this repair, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wheel repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair.